Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and I'm at Sunset Bar and Grill in St. Maarten. And this over here is Maho Beach. And this is where the planes, they land right over. Here comes a plane right now. You see it up there in the sky. And just watch, you'll see it. It's going to come really close here. It's going to go right over the sand. It's going to land. Looks like it's just sitting there, but you'll be amazed at how quickly this airplane gets to the runway. He's got his landing lights on. I don't know, let me see which plane this is going to be. I got my flight scheduled. The time is 1:33 St. Maarten time. So this should be, it could be a commuter from St. Bart's. It could be a plane from Beef Island, which is in Virgin Islands. So I think it's probably just going to be a commuter plane, but we'll see when it gets closer. Great place to come, have drinks, great fish tacos, all kinds of stuff, and just watch the planes. And the good thing is, after you eat, you can go down the sand right over there. So here comes the plane. Here she comes. I think that may be a bigger plane. I don't think that's a commuter. Oh, it's big. So this is something to do when you're in St. Maarten. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/IrixGuy, and enjoy all of Captain IrixGuy's videos. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I wanted to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm an independent channel, and it's viewers like you that help me to continue to grow. I appreciate your viewership, and y'all have a good day.